Dylan eating lunch, so you can watch at home tonight.
Watch at home.
Watch at home, yes. What are you eating, Isaac?
Eating a pop chop.
Pop chop? And rice? Are you eating noodles or rice?
No. I said rice.
Okay, you have
Yes, Dylan's eating rice.
Say rice.
okay, the same rice.
No.
Okay, last one.
I don't have
Full?
same. I have same as
Are
home.
you full, Dylan? Okay.
Later on you go to school, don't bring this, okay? Because school don't let you bring any toys.
It's okay, it's not too much, okay.
I think I don't have school.
Give it to me.
The Isaac finishes school. Right.
Yanni, cut the...
Don't cut.
So big.
我點食咁大個？
Why?
No, you finish. You need to sit. You have to sit.
We're just doing something on the
Okay,
cat. Auntie Irene.
Okay, now come here.
Auntie Irene, you know I can from the front and and like this.
You will hurt yourself. Isaac, you have not finished. Continue eating.
I think my work in my idea.
Take
But not in this table anymore.
So big.
You know, Auntie Irene,
Yes.
later when I